They should have one. Okay, let's go.
Guys, my sister and I are getting matching shoes.
I like the view. I like the view.
Me.
Okay.
It's really freezing.
Probably the only game that if somebody say, hey, let's play cards, it's got to be poker.
Yeah, I want to know how to play poker. It seems like it would be so cool to know how to play poker.
Okay, we'll do a lesson for everybody. Base it on the lowest ranking up to the highest ranking. The lowest ranking being the high card. You get 5 cards total.
What's the high card?
High card is you don't have a pair. Nice. Train. The train.
I have 41 minutes of battery left.
Are you taking a video
Yeah.
right now?
Yeah.
How's that glass?
The mountain lion fur is pretty soft. I think the squirrel one is the softest.
I wonder what that store is.
We are at the Red Kettle.
We'll go there.
That is the fort.
Cool.
Okay.
These are these guys. It's tough guys, but
What is he doing?
Your friend.
Zappa.
Your friend.
The mayor is here! Mr. Max! Mr. Max!
Relax, don't scale the relax.
I'm so scared.